why students are not getting letter of acceptance or offer letter on time. Like why their offer letter are delaying. Fine. So let's see the fee difference. Here it is the course. Fine. So here it is my offer letter. Mohammed Arbaz Khan, which is me. We also talk about why students are not getting letter of acceptance or offer letter on time. Like, hello everyone, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we'll talk about Lambton College, like how much time Lambton College take to give you offer letter. I'll share my experience, like when I applied for it, when I got the offer letter, and we'll see about we'll see these things. We'll see my program intake and the fees difference, because you will see on the website there is a different fee, like a lot different fee, and when you see my offer letter, there is a different. So I'll show the fee on this website first, then we'll go to my offer letter. Okay. So and I'll also show the deadline, like what time they have given you to pay the fee. Okay, and pay the first semester fee. And in the end of the video, we also talk about why students are not getting letter of acceptance or offer letter on time, like why their offer letter are delaying. Because a lot of students were asking me on the comment box of the previous videos. Like I have also made the video for Hamburg College. Like I got also the offer letter for Hamburg College, and also on the video of St. Clair College. Check out those videos: St. Clair College, Hamburg College, Algonquin College. And I have just shared my experience, like on how much time I got the offer letter. So I'll tell you about why. I'll tell you my experience, like why they are not getting offer letter on time in the end of the video. So stay tuned. Please subscribe the channel, like the channel, like the video, subscribe the channel, share the channel. Thank you so much. So let's start. First thing first, we'll talk about the course. Like the course, you can see big data analytics, for which I applied for. And I applied for this college for May 22 intake, because I was a bit worried that sure, can I get the offer letter for January? Like all the process will go smoothly or in a good manner for January or not. So I was a bit worried. So my consultant told me that you should just apply for Lambton, because there is a waiver. I haven't paid anything to my consultancy for filling this form, because there is a waiver. So I just filled it and I got the offer letter. I'll tell you when I filled this form. Okay. So I filled it on 5th of August for May 22 English. May 22. 5th of August 2021. Okay. And I got the offer letter on 9th of August. And if you see the weekdays, I'll tell you the weekdays and weekends. You'll see I applied on 5th of August, which was Wednesday, and 6th was Friday. So 7th and 8th Sunday, Saturday. So you will see there is only one working day, like almost one working day, because Saturday is also somehow a weekend. It is a weekend, like somehow off day. So I got the offer letter in just one working day. Simply, this is the thing. This is I'm not saying that. I'll tell you the reason, like why I got those offer letter in so fast way in the end of the video. So stay. Okay. So okay, fine. So let's see the fee difference. Here it is the course. And let's see the cost of it. So the total cost of this program is 26,370 Canadian dollar. Fine. Okay. So shall we move to the offer letter? Fine. So here is my offer letter. Mohammed Arbaz Khan, which is me. If you see the date of issuance, it is like 9th of August. Okay. And let's see the fees first. So the fees is, you'll see the fees is 17,360 Canadian dollar for 1 year, and the total fees for 2 years, which was shown on the website, is 26,370 Canadian dollars. So this is the fees for 2 years and this is the fees for 1 year. So if you see, the actual fee will be around 35,000 Canadian dollars, and the total fee which was shown on the website is all around 26.5 Canadian thousand Canadian dollars. So I think it is a huge difference. It is all around 8 to 9,000 Canadian dollars. I haven't seen this amount of difference in any other college. Like I have also shown the Lambton, the St. Clair fee is different. There was all around $1,000 in Algonquin. You can check for Algonquin and Hamburg. But here it is huge. And let's see another thing here. When I just saw, they have also mentioned that second year fees are likely to increase minimum by 6,000 Canadian dollars. So the thing is, and I'll show you one thing also here about the insurance of the that insurance by GuardMe, and your insurance will start only when you start, like your academic session will start, like on the day when you first go to the college, on the day when your program is start. Okay, that is just for knowledge, for your knowledge. They have just written any other cost, like we will not cover any cost before. The insurance company is saying we will not cover any cost before your academic start, or anything happens to you. You have to take another insurance for that. If you come like 15 days ago, so for that. So let's see another thing for this offer letter. They have mentioned here that students are required to withdraw if their prescribed program, map or academic schedule is not followed. Defer will not be approved. So they have clearly mentioned it. Defer will not be approved. So I don't know they will approve or not, but they have mentioned here. So I'm just telling you whatever they have mentioned. Okay. And let's see other thing, like how much deadline they have given me to pay the fee, how much time they have given me to pay the fee. So here it is, the course Big Data Analytics postgraduate. So first semester fee due date is 15th of October. So almost they have given me more than 1 month, because I got the offer letter on 8th of August. So it's, I think, more than 1 month, all around one month, 8 days all around. Okay. So the fees is the same which I have mentioned, 17,360 Canadian dollars. And the course will start, because this is the May intake, so 5th of May 2022, and complete is 2024 1st May. Yeah, it is. And the last and the most important thing of the video is why students are not getting offer letter on time. Even some of them not getting the offer letters. Why? So here we'll talk about the major reasons, because there are plenty of reasons, but we talk only the major reasons, that why, and the errors which we can remove, or the problems which we can solve. Okay. So the thing is uploading the right documents. This is the most important thing, which I think you all know. Uploading the right documents. So I have also made the video for that what documents are required. Okay, for like filling the application for Canada colleges. Okay, so please check out that video. Okay, so the second thing is in Canada, as per my experience, which I have learned, Canada mainly prefers students which file their applications first. Like there is a system of first come first. If you fill your application first, you will get an offer letter first. This is a simple thing, which I have learned through all the process, and which I've learned, and even this process is not till the file, like just for the filling the application for your colleges. It extends even to filling paying your fees. Even when you pay your fees, pay that in time. Do all the things in time, like before the due date. Don't wait for the due date, that there is a lot of time right now. Don't wait for it. Do things in a fast way. Whenever there is an intake, like you see that this college opens for this intake. If you want to go in that college, just file the application. Don't. Okay. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. It will be a big help. Literally, it will be a big help. It will help my channel a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video. All the best.